In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to buy hosting from Bluehost and set up your WordPress website. We'll cover how to choose the right Bluehost plan, how to register your free domain, how to keep costs low by managing add-ons at checkout, and how to verify that your WordPress site is live. By the end of this video, you'll have your hosting set up and your WordPress site installed automatically. And just a quick note, if you use the special link in the description, you'll get Bluehost at the lowest possible price. Alright, let's dive in. Once you click the sign up link in the description, you'll land on this page with Bluehost's hosting plans. The starter plan is $1.99 per month for a 36-month term. It includes hosting for up to 10 websites, 10 gigabytes of storage, free SSL, and a free domain for your first year. This is perfect for beginners. The business plan is $3.99 per month, with more storage, backups, and security features. And the e-commerce plan is $6.99 per month, designed for online stores with WooCommerce and payment tools. For this tutorial, I'll go with the starter plan, since it's the most affordable and all you really need when starting out. Click Choose Plan to continue. Now it's time to choose your domain name. Bluehost gives you a free domain for the first year, which is a great bonus. Type in the name you'd like. Keep it short, easy to remember, and preferably a .com. For example, I'll enter bluehostdemo.com. If your first choice isn't available, just try a variation until you find one you like. Once you're happy with your domain, click Next. After selecting your domain, you'll go straight to the checkout page. Here's how to handle the extras. Domain privacy and protection is an add-on that hides your personal details, like your name, email, and address, from the public database. Instead, Bluehost's contact info is shown. This helps reduce spam and keeps your information private. If privacy is important to you, you may want to leave it checked. But if you want to save money, you can uncheck it. For this tutorial, I'll uncheck it to keep the cost as low as possible. Bluehost also gives you a professional email trial for the first month at no cost. Make sure your plan length is set to 3 years for the lowest monthly price. Now continue to check and enter your account details like name, email, and payment info. On the right-hand side, double-check your order summary. Once everything looks good, click Submit Payment. Before your website goes fully active, Bluehost may ask you to verify your email address. Sometimes this shows up right away, but other times it can take a few minutes. Open the inbox for the email you used during sign-up and look for a message from Bluehost asking you to confirm your domain. If you don't see it in your inbox, make sure to check your spam or promotions folder just in case. Inside the email, you'll find a button that says Confirm Email Address. Click it to confirm your account. Once that's done, your website status will update from pending to active. It should look like this. Bluehost will automatically set up your hosting account and install WordPress for you, so your new site is ready to go without any extra steps. After your payment is complete, Bluehost will take you to your dashboard. Here's how to confirm everything is working. First, look for the Websites tab inside your Bluehost dashboard. You should see your new domain listed there. Next to it, there will be a WordPress button, Edit Site. Click it, and it should take you straight into your new WordPress site. If you see that, congratulations. Your hosting and WordPress are fully active. You've just bought hosting with Bluehost, registered your free domain, and verified that WordPress is installed and live. Now you can log into your WordPress dashboard and start building your website right away. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly WordPress guides, and don't forget to use the special discount link in the description to save money on your hosting. And if you're ready to take the next step, check out my WordPress step-by-step guide for beginners. It'll walk you through customizing your WordPress site and building out your first pages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.